Alright, this is a video on the Kohler 16 horse on how to replace the fuel pump with the brand new one from Kohler. The Kohler 16 horse on the LG 65 and any K series engine. If you have a manual fuel pump, you're gonna wanna look in, I guess, getting a fuel pump from Kohler. It's gonna be in a box like this with the part number. I think, let's see, what is that? There's a number you're gonna need, along with some extra things. Oops, gasket. So in this box you're gonna get, which I just spilled, brand new bolts, mounting bolts, which I might be using the Phillips head back, Phillips size bolts back in there. Gonna get your spacer and your ring clamp tool to snapping your new fittings, and what else, along with a brand new gasket. And what else was it, and a spacer, small spacer. This looks like this, and of course your fuel pump, along with your fittings. That's what you're gonna need that snap ring tool for. You ever feel the need that feels like your Kohler fuel pump has stopped working? The cheaper route would be to go on Amazon and get an electric one, which I might be doing later on, depending on how I feel. Or just go back with the manual. The electric one is going to be significantly cheaper. It's going to be $13-14 versus this pump was, I think, $47 with tax included. Electric pump, but I got it same day, versus electric pump is going to take about a week. But it's going to cost you less in the long run, and it's instant, instant electricity fuel to the carburetor. But let me get this installed and see you guys later.